want to know how to make this pasta carbonara Italian classic. Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Cuisines, Cuisine Demande. This channel is dedicated towards global cooking of dishes around the world. So if today is your first time of coming across the channel, you are most welcome, and you can support by subscribing, liking the video, sharing it with others. So today we are on the shores of Italy and we're making some spaghetti carbonara. Ingredients. Yeah, so guys, the ingredients for the recipe, we need spaghetti, but I'm using pasta. So, and we need some guanciale. So guanciale is basically cured cheek of a pig, but you can use pancetta. And we need cheese. You can use parmesan or pecorino romano. So the ingredients here, we need some ground pepper. I'm using you can use bacon. That's what I'm using. Use cheese, and I'm using this rainbow pasta, and you need some 2 eggs, and of course some salt to taste. So guys, we're gonna start off with the pasta. So I have some hot water on fire to speed up the process. I'm gonna add a bit of salt to this. Taste. In goes pasta. So this is the type I'm using. And I'm just gonna stir. And allow this to cook for 20 minutes. So guys, our pasta is done. We're gonna remove it from the fire and then commence with the rest of the cooking. I intentionally made it very big and chunky because I want it to be very prominent in the pasta. So yes, however, if you like it tiny, you may slice it to the desirable size of your choice. Whilst I'm waiting for our carbonara to be done, or our bacon, I'm gonna work with the eggs. So 2 large eggs in a bowl. You add your parmesan or your, what's it called, and we're gonna mix this. Mix it thoroughly. So this together with the pasta water is what's gonna form the cream. So we don't need, this dish is creamy, yet we don't need cream for this. So guys, this is it. We'll set it aside, and once our meat is done, we incorporate in the pasta and then we'll proceed. So guys, at this point you can put in your spaghetti or your pasta. Stir it. At this point guys, we're gonna add a bit of the water from the pasta. I'm gonna add it in there to form the creaminess of this dish, remember. So we have an infusion of the saltiness from the meat or bacon, as well as the pasta water. So the saltiness from the Guancharlie. Yeah, so at this point, we're gonna allow this to cool down a bit before we add in the eggs so that we don't get scrambled egg. We don't want scrambled egg. So guys, we're gonna add the egg to this. And then we stir gently, ensuring that we don't get scrambled egg in the process. So the cream is generated from the emulsification of the guanciale as well as the water from the pasta. See, that gives you the creamy texture. Did you see that, guys? Did you see the creaminess of this carbonara, pasta carbonara? So we're gonna add a bit of black pepper to just warmth the flavors. Add a pinch of salt to wake this up. We're gonna
Ayesha
present our food,
Cuisines,
guys. Our
Ayesha
spaghetti
Cuisines, a
carbonara or
place
our
where your
pasta
cooking
carbonara.
is accounted
So,
for.
guys, we're gonna
Ayesha
add in our
Cuisines,
cheese,
Ayesha
bit
Cuisines,
of
a place where your
salt,
cooking is accounted for.
our black pepper,
Ayesha Cuisines,
just
you
a little
are
black
what you
pepper
eat. Eat well,
on the
live well.
surface. Guys,
Ayesha
this
Cuisines.
needs to be
Aisha's unique
really
cuisines. Come
decent.
on,
It's
Aisha's
an
unique
Italian dish.
cuisines. A place where your
And sugar
cooking
and
is
the
cared
basil on top,
for.
guys.
Aisha's
Stick it,
unique
man.
cuisines.